Something we've all been waiting for is firing bullets. Now, I have my character, and you can see if I push my action 1, I am now firing a bullet. I'm going to show you two ways to set this up. One is just unlimited firing bullets, such as we have right now. And the other way is gaining ammunition. And these little canisters that I have marked AMU, not to be confused with atomic mass unit. When I get the ammunition, I will also be able to fire a bullet. Now I have this disabled for the moment, just so I could show you how unlimited ammo works. So what we'll do first, regardless if you want to have ammo or unlimited, the trickiest part about setting up a fire bullet command is knowing which direction the bullets should go based on the direction your main character is facing. So we will do two parts here, two videos. One, firing unlimited, and then the second video will be firing with ammunition. So first up, we have to go back to our left and right movement of our character. And you should have, when updating, set X speed to 0, left was released, idle left, and so on. This should look familiar to you. What we want to do is add a game attribute under each statement. And you'll see I have mine set bullets right to false if facing left. So what we'll do is on our game attributes, we'll create a new game attribute. This will be a Boolean. Okay? Now, I named mine bullets right just so I would know, okay, my bullets will go right if I'm facing right. If bullets right are false, that means I'll be facing left. So you can go ahead and name yours this or something else you like and click OK. And once you have your setters available, just add the bullets right under each section here. And anywhere there's a left, your bullets right should be false. Anywhere there's a right, your bullets right should be true. Here's a right, and my bullets right is true. Here's a left, and my bullets right is false. Alright, so set that up. Then you're going down to the, I'm going to start with the easiest one here. This is bullets, firing bullets unlimited. You're going to make an action. Alright, so we'll add an event, input, and we will say keyboard. That's what I clicked. You can choose what keyboard button you want to press, alright, to fire a bullet. And all we're going to do is put an if and an otherwise if statement. If bullets right equals true, create a bullet. Okay, now I'll get to this code in a second, but just as a reminder, our bullets right is now under our Boolean getters, okay? So if that equals true, create a bullet at x of self plus width of self. Alright, so where are we finding that? We just do the create actor of type, and we would select the bullet. Now, if you cannot draw your own bullets and you go onto Stencyl Forge and you type in bullet, you'll see you have a few to choose from. Do not use this blue bullet. I tried this and it came with pre-downloaded behaviors that caused all the collisions to stop working. So stick with the featured. Even though it says enemy bullet, you can just make it your own, change the name, but stick with this featured bullet. So we're creating a bullet at x of self. We could say self. And we're doing y of self as well. Now, if you just leave it like this, the bullet will be created in the middle of your character. We want it to be at the front. So what we're going to do is add a plus. Okay, so we'll have two of these. And we'll just plug that in temporarily. Whoops. Let me get out of here. So we've got x of self plus the width of our self. So that is going to move the bullet to the front because it's adding the width. And just gotta find this width of self. I selected the wrong one. There we go. This is the one we want here. Plus width of self. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so then we're setting up the Y. Now, because my character was a little small, if you start firing bullets and they immediately collide with a tile, you have to raise them up slightly, and I had to raise mine up by 10. So you're going to have to fiddle around with these numbers. Remember, minus moves your bullets up. Alright, so you'll set this up, and all you do is reverse this when you turn left. If bullets are right is false, that means you're going to be standing left. You set the same code up, but this time you are subtracting the width of yourself to bring it over to the left side. So the top one adds the width to your right. If you're facing left, it subtracts your width to the left. All of this is just extra stuff. And you set this up the same. Now when you test your game, you will be able to fire bullets. Now I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to test this with you. You're going to notice you can fire a lot of bullets. And this is a slight problem because if you spam the fire button, you can crash your game if you fire hundreds of bullets at once. So I want you to see this, and we are going to make a fix that will prevent you from spamming the fire key. But as you're noticing, my battery is running low. See that? I'm just rapidly firing. And in theory, under the right circumstances, this would cause my game. See, I can't move. It's glitching out on me and slowing down. So we don't want that to happen. And we're going to make a, I guess we would say a stop trigger that only allows you to fire a few bullets at a time. So before I show you that, let me plug my cord in because the battery is about to die here. Stay tuned.